Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with Slack. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or guys register if you already don't have one. But guys, of course, if you have problems with that, you can go to our channel where you can see how you can do it. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button. We have the schedule events, upgraded plan, and the admin center. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and integrate Calendly with Slack. So basically what you need to do is go on this link here, which I provided here. So it's helpcalendly.com, which is Calendly for Slack, where as you can see, you can go and see how you can do it. So basically, first you need to go and sign up your Slack account and visit the Slack app dictionary, locate the Calendly dictionary. And then to begin installation, select Add to Slack. Then select Allow to give Calendly permission to access your Slack workspace. When the Connect to Calendly message appears, select the Connect to Calendly to continue. When the Open Slack pops up, you just need to click Open Slack. And guys, the Calendly app will appear with Slack under Apps section for the left-hand menu. And then the last step is of course optional. You can go and read it and check it out if you want, but it is not necessary. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.